G'day guys. I thought I would run you through how to do a basic oil service on your vehicle that you can do at home. These are some of the tools that you'll need to do so. You'll need a garage jack or a vehicle emergency jack. I would recommend a set of rags or just some old clothes or something. A set of axle stands that are rated for your vehicle. A decent socket set. I would recommend a pair of overalls, a drain pan, oil drain pan, a funnel, and a socket wrench of some kind that is the correct diameter for the oil filter that you're taking off and replacing. Start off by clearing your area and whack your jack under. If you're using a garage jack like I am, slide it under and find a suitable piece of frame that you can jack up the car. Whack your axle stands under the car on either side where the notches are. Once it's been let down onto the axle stands, give the front end a real good shake left and right to make sure it's secure and it's not going to fall down on you and turn you into a strawberry pancake. Next thing you want to do is take off the oil filler cap on the top of the engine. This helps with airflow and helps the oil drain quicker. Have a bit of a fluff around and find the right socket that fits your oil drain plug. Grab the correct socket and socket wrench and crack the drain plug. Stick your drain pan underneath and slowly unscrew the drain plug until you get to the very last section of the thread. Push upward a little bit and then pull it out real quick, and then you shouldn't get oil all over your hands too much, and let it drain out. Once it's fully drained, stick the drain plug back in. Don't forget to put it back in or else it's going to really suck. Once it's loose, unscrew the oil filter from the housing until it's about halfway down the thread, and then let it bleed out until it stops, and then take it off and put it in with the old engine oil and set aside, and then clean the housing with a rag. Take the replacement filter out of the packaging and dip your finger in a little bit of the old oil and run it around the seal of the filter. This will help the next time that you take the filter off. It'll be much easier. Chuck your new filter on. It only needs to be nipped up slightly. Shove the funnel in the filler hole at the top. Turn your oil container around so that the handle is facing underneath, and then start pouring your oil gently. And this will stop it splashing everywhere. While you're in the engine bay, changing the oil, it's also a good idea to check all of your other fluids to make sure that they're topped up and in the best condition possible. Check the power steering fluid reservoir and the brake fluid reservoir. Mine's a little bit down, but not too bad. Check the condition of your water in the radiator. Make sure it's all topped up. Coolant level. Check the battery status. Should be green, the little indicator there. It's all good. And check the air filter as well. I'm not going to check mine today because I know it's okay. So, if you have a automatic transmission, you can also check the automatic transmission fluid with the dipstick. Oops, down there. Check the condition. If it's not milky, looks like a milkshake, she should be all good. And if it's at level. Also a good idea to check when your cam belt was last changed. Remove the axle stand. Once it's all topped up and everything's been put back into place, start the car and get it up to running temperature, and then turn it off, recheck the oil. It should be at the full level or just above. If it's lacking a little bit, put a little bit more in and get it up to temperature, recheck it again, and you should be sweet. Job done.